Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mars Updates. NASA loses contact with Ingenuity Mars helicopter. Big news update. NASA announced on Saturday evening, January 20, that it has re-established on contact with Ingenuity after instructing and Perseverance rover to perform long duration listening session for Ingenuity signal. The mission team is working to determine what caused the communication and drop during Flight 72 is big news. NASA Ingenuity Mars helicopter has gone in community. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.